are you done?
Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom.
Rangu, I think that's enough. Come over here.
No, Rhea. I love playing with the truck. Can I play for some more time? My friends are having fun too.
Guys, our job is not done. We need to assemble the truck too. Let's look at the truck's instruction sheet on assembly.
The truck has parts in different shapes too.
I see rectangle.
I see a triangle.
I see square.
Don't forget the circles.
Okay, let's see again.
That's a square.
Great, guys. Now, let's look for the rectangle.
I see it. That's the rectangle.
You guys are doing great. Let's look for a triangle now.
That's the triangle.
I'd like to see if anyone can find the circle.
Of course, it's the wheels. The shape of the wheels is a circle.
Okay, guys, bring me the parts as I call out for them. First is the triangle. There's only one.
Good, that's the triangle. Get me the square.
Now, get me the rectangles.
Good job. Yes, they are rectangles. Now the last part, the wheels, which are circles.
Great teamwork! Yes, they are circles. That's a triangle. That's a square. That's the rectangle. That's the circle.
Hey, Bunny, don't play too rough. You'll break the car.
Okay, I'm sorry. Let's slide it down and see which one goes further. Let's do it again. Let's do it one more time.
That's it, guys. We're done. It's time to go to bed now.